A sales funnel is a visual representation of the journey from your prospect's first contact with you until a completed purchase. All your qualified leads start at the widest point of the funnel, which narrows as unsuitable leads go cold and drop out. The funnel can be sorted into 3 parts: top, middle, and bottom. You can use content to engage suitable leads and drive them from one part of your funnel to the next. At the top is the awareness and discovery stage. At this stage, they're identifying a challenge they face. They may not know the problem, only the symptoms. Create insightful blogs and digestible videos to help them define and discuss their challenges, guiding them towards a potential solution. In the middle is the researching solution stage. They are diving deeper into the problem. They might not necessarily be evaluating specific companies and their products as solutions. Instead, they're looking for the types of solutions available to them and deciding which is the right fit. Content such as in-depth guides, comparison-style checklists, and case studies serve your leads best at this stage. At the bottom is the stage where leads make an educated purchasing decision. When they arrive here, leads are ready to select the solution and, most importantly, the provider. Help them see your solution as a fit for their problem with helpful content like FAQ pages, product feature videos, live demos, and side-by-side competitive analysis. This is just an introduction to a sales funnel and how you can use content at each stage. To find out more and to see a breakdown of real examples, click on the link at the end of this video.